All right, so for our nomenclature questions, right, the first step, we want to find the longest continuous carbon chain. And yes, this doesn't show every single bond there, but the longest continuous carbon chain would be right through here. We want to count this in a way that gets us to the branches with the lowest number possible. So do we count this from the left or from the right? The right. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the base name would be decane. So I've got 10 carbon chain alkane. And then I've got two branches, right? I've got methyl and an ethyl. So how do I put those together as part of this name? Exactly. We go in alphabetical order. So it would be 4 ethyl, 4 methyl decane. Those branches are always listed in alphabetical order. So ethyl comes before methyl. So any questions on that one? Yeah. Correct. So if we had a 2-carbon alkane, that would be ethane. So as a branch, it's ethyl. 1-carbon alkane is methane. As a branch, it's methyl. 3-carbon alkane would be propane. So if that was a branch, it would be propyl. So it comes from the base name of if it was just an alkane by itself. So yeah, Jillian, it does matter, right? The number in front does matter. We want to have the lowest number possible. So we're going to count this from the right, getting 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, they're both 4, so we need to include both those numbers. On the 4th carbon, I have an ethyl group. On the 4th carbon, I also have a methyl group. So we want to count in a way that gets our numbers in the lowest order possible. For naming purposes, we go in alphabetical order. So ethyl would come before methyl, even if, let's say I had the ethyl group out here on the 5th carbon, right? So if I had the ethyl group out here on the 5th carbon, I would still say 5 ethyl, 4 methyl decane. Yep. All right, so for the next one, got the next one, right? Longest chain possible. This one's a little bit of a zigzag, but right, something like this. And then do we count this from the left or from the right? From the left, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the base name is heptane. And then what would our prefix be here? Yeah, Madium says 2, 3 dimethyl heptane. I've got a 7-carbon alkane, so that's heptane. On the 2nd carbon, I have a methyl group, and on the 3rd carbon, I have a methyl group as well. Any questions on that one? Yeah. So the di is if we have 2 different branches, 2 of the same branches. So it would be tri if we had 3, and so on. Yeah.